Hello friends, and welcome to another video. Today's class is short, so we will waste no time getting right on into it. So roll out your mat, grab a water, and let's get started. Starting in an easy seated position with the option of sitting on a blanket, a pillow, or a bolster to make this position a little bit more comfortable for you. We will start by settling into the body, settling into the breath, making each inhale longer and each exhale longer. Relaxing your forehead, relaxing your shoulders, reaching the crown of your head up towards the sky, placing your shoulders back in their pockets, allowing your heart and your chest to shine forward. Continue staying with your breath and keeping your mind here. Exhaling completely, and on your next inhale, we will reach our arms up to the sky. As we exhale, we will place them down by our sides. And as we inhale, we will bring them up again. Really making this count, exhaling them down by your side. Once more, inhaling powerfully up to the sky. Now interlace your fingers, reaching your palms up towards the sky, finding a baby back bend. Staying with that inhale and then exhaling your hands down by your side. We will slowly start to walk it forward into a seated forward fold, allowing your hips to open here. Continue staying with your breath, continue keeping your thoughts right here, and using your exhales, allow yourself to melt even deeper into this position. Remember to be patient and kind with yourself as you are here. You also do have the option to rock it from side to side. Just stay with your breath and keep your thoughts here. On your next exhale, go ahead and slowly roll to a straight spine. We will now swap out our feet, bringing the foot that was in front to the back and the foot that was in back to the front. Once you feel comfortable, go ahead and inhale your arms up to the sky and exhale them down by your side. Again, using your breath to benefit you. Inhale, reaching up towards the sky. Exhaling down by your sides. Again, inhaling up, and then interlacing your fingers, flipping your palms towards the sky, finding another back bend. Keep breathing in, and then exhale. Slowly find your seated forward fold. Notice if it feels different on this side, but of course without any judgment. Allow yourself to rock back and forth here if that feels good, and remember to just be patient and be kind to yourself. Staying with your breath, taking a big inhale. And as you exhale, slowly rolling up to a straight spine. Now let's inhale our hands up to the sky. And as we exhale, we will rotate to the left, placing our right hand onto our left knee, using our inhales to expand and take up space, and our exhales to maybe go a little bit deeper into the pose. Remember to still keep that good posture here with a nice long spine. Big inhale. As you exhale, go ahead and return to center, and then inhale your hands up to the sky, and exhale, twisting your body to the right side. Keep your thoughts here, stay with your breath, and remember to enjoy this time. Big, complete inhale. And as you exhale, returning to center, we will go ahead and plant our feet out in front of us and our hands behind us, and slowly start rocking our knees from side to side. You can take this however slow or however fast you would like. We will be here for a while, so take however much time you need to find what feels comfortable in your body. As always, stay with your breath and try to create that inner peace, even if it's only for a moment. If you need more time here in this position, feel free to pause the video. If you are ready to move on, you can start extending your legs out in front of you, finding your staff pose. When you're ready, inhaling your hands up to the sky, and as you exhale, you will reach towards your feet, noting that it is completely okay if your hands are not anywhere near your feet. Keeping a generous bend in your knees and allowing your body to slowly melt closer and closer to your knees with each and every exhale. Taking a big inhale together, seeing if you can reach the crown of your head just a little bit more forward, and then as you exhale, slowly rolling up to a straight spine, inhaling our hands up to the sky, exhaling them down by our sides, and then making our way down to our back, bringing our knees to our chest and rocking from side to side to give our low back a little massage. Now slowly releasing, planting our feet onto the earth, making sure that our heels are within reaching distance of our fingertips, finding a nice solid connection with your feet and the ground, taking a big inhale, and then as you exhale, pressing into your heels, reaching your pelvis towards the sky, finding a bridge pose. You are welcome to stay here, making sure to actively press into your heels, into your palms, and reach those hips up high. Or if you want to have some fun, you can find a candlestick position, kicking your feet up towards the sky, using your hands for balance, or you also have the option to find a plow position here. Yogi's choice, so please do whatever feels most comfortable in your body today. Just remember to bring the mind back if it's wandering, and stay with your breath. You are so much stronger than you think. Taking a big inhale together. And as we exhale, we will slowly come out of our position and return to our knees to chest pose. Again, rocking our knees from side to side and giving that low back a little massage. Now dropping our knees towards our armpits, grabbing the outer edges of our feet and finding happy baby, allowing gravity to do most of the work here, maybe keeping a smile on your face, being careful not to pull or press or pinch anything. Just enjoy where you are. Now slowly releasing, quickly finding our knees to chest position for just a few rocks, and then we will extend both legs out in front of us, finding a supine position. Laying here for just a moment to reset, and then bringing our right knee towards our chest and then bringing it over to the left side to find a supine twist, making sure that both shoulder blades are staying in contact with the ground here, releasing that right leg back to its original position, and then doing the same thing on the left side, just finding a quick twist, staying with your breath, and then releasing, extending both legs out in front of us. We will now find our Shavasana. Now is a wonderful time for some self-love affirmations, to express gratitude and thanks, or maybe to work on creating that inner peace that we are striving for. I'm so proud of you for all of your hard work today and for showing up. I can't wait until next time, but until then, take care and namaste.